Have you ever heard the terms house cleaning and house management used as if they mean the same thing? You're not alone, but there's a big difference between them. Whether you're a time-poor parent, a busy professional, or someone who just wants their home to run like clockwork, understanding the difference could change how you manage your life at home. In this video, we'll unpack what each one means, where they overlap, and most importantly, how to choose the exemplary service for your lifestyle. Because a clean house is nice, but a well-managed one? That's next level. Let's start with house cleaning. It's the most familiar service, routine tasks like vacuuming, mopping, dusting, and scrubbing down kitchens and bathrooms. It's all about keeping your home hygienic, fresh, and looking its best. It's essential, especially in busy homes, and it frees up your time from the never-ending list of chores. But it stops at surface-level maintenance. Premium cleaning goes further than just the basics. It can include deep cleans like grout scrubbing, tile shining, and steam cleaning carpets. Some services even cover specialised jobs, like upholstery or window cleaning. While these elevate your home's appearance, they still sit under the cleaning banner. You'll get sparkle and shine without structure, planning, or day-to-day coordination. That's where house management steps in. House management is an entirely different beast. It's not just about cleanliness, but how your entire household runs. A house manager is like your personal operations officer. They coordinate everything from trades and appointments to grocery runs, meal prep, and even security checks. They know your routines, systems, and preferences and work behind the scenes to keep your home humming along smoothly. They're not just tidying up, they're running the show. A good house manager wears many hats. They coordinate with plumbers, sparkies, and gardeners. They sort out your pantry, manage household supplies, and track your budget. They might plan meals, do the grocery shopping, oversee laundry routines, and even keep an eye on locks, lighting, and alarm systems. They don't mop the floors, but they make sure someone reliable does. And they do it all without you having to lift a finger or remember a single appointment. So how are house cleaning and house management actually different? Cleaning is focused. It tackles hygiene and presentation, thinking of floors, bathrooms, and surfaces. House management is holistic. It runs the entire household, cleaning included. It's about coordination, efficiency, and oversight. You hire a cleaner to tidy. You hire a house manager to take ownership of your home's daily operations. Think of it this way. Cleaning solves today's mess. House management prevents tomorrow's chaos. A cleaning service is ideal if your home needs regular upkeep, floors vacuumed, bathrooms scrubbed, and surfaces dusted. You'll get peace of mind, a polished home, and time back in your day. It's perfect for busy people who want their weekends free and their homes looking sharp. Especially in Melbourne, premium cleaning services are reliable and customisable, offering weekly and seasonal deep cleaning options. But if you're constantly juggling schedules, forgetting appointments, running out of milk or energy, house management might be the better fit. It's for people with more moving parts than hours in the day. Families with young kids, professionals who travel, anyone overwhelmed by domestic logistics. If you want the entire household coordinated without you being the one doing it, this is your solution. It's not just about saving time, it's about saving your sanity. Absolutely. Many households use both. Your cleaner keeps things hygienic, and your house manager ensures everything else runs to plan. Like clockwork. They may even coordinate with each other. That way, nothing gets missed, and your home is always one step ahead, clean, calm, and entirely under control. Not sure which one you need? Ask yourself, do I want a clean home or a fully managed one? Do I have time to oversee my household or need help? Am I after basic convenience or a complete system? If it's just about mopping and wiping, go with cleaning. But if you want the fridge stocked, trades coordinated, laundry sorted, and order restored, house management is your game changer. Still unsure? You don't have to choose blindly. Reach out to our team at Clean House Melbourne and we'll help you determine what's right for your household. We have the proper support, whether it's a sparkling clean or a finely tuned domestic operation.